Hey folks, welcome to my channel. This is Simran and you're watching Stylesavvysimran. So today we will be doing this minimal pink sort of makeup look जो कि हर Indian outfit के लिए perfect होगा. So if you are a beginner or if you don't want to use much makeup, so this is the right video for you. वीडियो के एंड तक बने रहिए and do try this makeup look. अगर आपको ये makeup look अच्छा लगा, let me know in the comment section below. Let's get started.
First thing first, starting with prepping my skin. First, I'm using this ordinary Niacinamide plus Zinc serum. This is my everyday face serum. I'm using it on a regular basis. Then मैं use कर रही हूँ Cetaphil का moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer, but make sure to moisturize your face before doing any makeup. Then I'm using this NYX Plump Right Back Primer to prep my skin. इसके बाद मैं यूज कर रही हूँ Maybelline का न्यू फ्रेश टिंट in the shade 03. This has a medium to sheer coverage, perfect for minimal makeup or no makeup look. Take your time, but make sure to blend your foundation perfectly. Instead of foundation, you can also use BB cream or CC cream. After the foundation, I'm using this Instant Age Renewal Concealer from Maybelline in the shade 120 Light. Then blending with a wet blender. कंसीलर को सेट करने के लिए मैं यूज कर रही हूँ नायका कॉम्पैक्ट. आई एम ओनली अप्लाइंग ऑन दोज एरिया वेयर आई हैव अप्लाइड द कंसीलर अर्लियर. Next step is the blush. Here I am using MYGLAMM blush palette. Trust me guys, try this easy technique to apply your blush. This is the most convenient way I ever tried. Make sure to apply your blush from here to here. It will give you a nice elevated feature to your face. And don't forget to blend properly. With the help of small brush, I am applying the same blush on my eyelids as well. Then with the help of a flat brush, apply the same blush under your waterline as well. I like to contour my nose a little. This is totally up to you. You can skip this part. Then using the NYX brow gel just to fill the brows as I am doing the minimal makeup look. काजल के बिना इंडियन मेकअप लुक अधूरा है. So applying the kajal on my lower and upper waterline. Then same flat brush के हेल्प से काजल को ब्लेंड करना है so that it won't look harsh. From the same MYGLAMM palette, I'm using the highlighter on my high points. Setting the makeup with Professional Setting Spray from Benefits. Of course, Indian outfit है तो बिंदी कैसे भूल सकते हैं. Coming to the lips, using a brown liner to line my lips. देन उसके बाद मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ लॉरियल सिग्नेचर लिक्विड लिपस्टिक इन द शेड 121 आई चूज. On the top of that, I'm using Makeup Revolution liquid lipstick in the shade I Am Baby. Lastly, finishing the look with this cute pearl earring and this artificial gajra.